Every single day, there are creators online posting content. And these creators post content with one goal: to sell their audience a digital product. This is an ebook, a template, a course, a coaching program, anything digital delivered instantly to the customer. But they have one problem: they can't reach every buyer themselves. There's such a massive flood of people that want to buy these digital products that they need other people like you and I, to put their offer in front of new audiences in order to earn a small commission on every sale. So you don't need to make the product, you don't need to own the business, you don't have to run customer support, you don't have to ship anything, and you do nothing except put a proven product in front of buyers or you want to buy it. And on every single sale, you get paid. So when you promote a product, let's say $500, a digital course, and it pays 50% commission, you make $250 in pure profit on every sale. And one sale a day over the next 30 days, that's $7,500 a month in profit. That's not a ceiling, that's an entry point. One of my top students, Lilla, has already done over 12,000 in sales doing exactly this. And you'll see exactly how she did it in just a minute. My top students are doing 6 figures a year doing exactly this. Here's exactly what the first 90 days look like. Days 1 through 30, you set up the engine, you pick a niche, you grab a proven digital product that's already converting, and you start posting short form content daily on Instagram. Days 30 through 60, your content compounds. The Instagram algorithm starts pushing your videos to the right interested buyers. They click your link in bio, they send you a DM, and the sales starts hitting. In days 60 through 90, you scale. You take what's working and you double down on more volume, sharper content, and you stack a second product. That's it. That's the entire thing. There's no faster path from zero to a real online income than this one. There's no product to build, no inventory, no audience required, no ad spend. And I've documented this whole journey publicly, from my broke pre-med UCLA college students to building a system that's now made me over 32 million online and digital product sales. And I've watched over 3,000 of my students go through this exact same system. This is not some secret that's gatekept. It's not a hack, it's a simple, repeatable model. And the reason why most people miss this model is because the internet is just way too loud. Everyone's pushing dropshipping, e-commerce, day trading, crypto, AI agencies. Meanwhile, the simplest, fastest path to a real income is literally sitting in the palm of your hand on your phone, promoting products that already work, that already convert, and already pay out. And no one's selling you on this because it's just not sexy or flashy, but it does work. And before you say, well, I don't want to be on camera, you don't have to be. One of my students, Lilla, built her entire business 100% faceless. She started a brand new Instagram from zero, new account from scratch, never showed her face one time, and made her first sale at only 55 followers. Now she's done well over 20,000 in sales, and she did it from her dorm room while supporting her family overseas, while still in school at the time. And I've watched students of mine who are parents, moms, dads, full-time engineers, corporate 9-to-5ers run this completely faceless. You can do this by making an AI clone of yourself. If you don't want to clone yourself, you can clone someone else and make an AI avatar. You never speak on camera, and their content generates tens of thousands of views while the sales come in. This isn't some personality thing. You don't have to be talented or pretty or beautiful or whatever insecurity that you're scared of. It's because you don't show yourself. It's a learnable frame, and you can recognize what's already selling and just simply put it in front of the right audience. If you can do that, then you can do this. So here's the entire model from start to finish. Pick a niche, find a proven product, post short form content daily, send traffic to your link in bio, and make sales. Scale. There's no product, you don't need an audience, there's no starter capital, you need a phone or a laptop and the system that just already works. That's the model that built a digital product business that's done over 32 million in online sales. Not a secret, not a hack, just a system the market is already paying for. If you want the full breakdown, the exact 4-step system that my top students and I are using to do 5 grand, 10 grand, even over 20,000 a month with this, I made a free masterclass right here that walks you through the entire thing. Tap on here to watch it. Also, the first link in the description, watch before you do anything else. So tap right here and I'll see you on the other side.